it's Friday, April 17th. Today what you need to do is set up your reading goals and your reading schedule for this unit. So if you scroll down to our independent reading unit and then click on reading schedule, and then these are the days that you guys have assigned reading, where basically all you have to do is just read on those days. So you need to figure out, look through your book and kind of divide up how you want to read so that you can be done with your book by Friday, May 8th. So figure out how much of it you want to read. Don't just look at it and say, like, I have this amount of pages, so I'm going to divide it equally, because then you might be dividing it in the middle of a chapter, and that's kind of weird. So make sure that you look at that and figure out what's going to be doable. Also, you are going to be marking on here whether you met your goal or not. Do that because each day that we have a reading day, I'm going to have you fill out a Google form that basically says what page you're on and did you make your goal or not. That's about it for that. If you haven't filled out the book selection form yet, please go and do that so that I know what book you're reading, so that I have a better idea when I'm talking to you and when I'm looking at your project and stuff to see what you guys are doing. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great weekend.